Praful Patel battle holding up. It appears the NCP from claiming some berths for itself. Ajit Pawar has reacted.
प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में तीसरी दफा की जिम्मेवारी मोदी साहब के ऊपर दे दी और वो कार्यक्रम हुआ और उसके बाद आज हम ओथ सेरेमनी के लिए आए हैं। एक बात सही है कि दोपहर को मुझे पता चला कि हमारे डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बीजेपी के जो देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी है महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट में, हमारी महायुति के डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर, तो उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट किया है। हमें कल रात को कांटेक्ट किया था। उससे पहले हम सब राजनाथ सिंह जी, अमित भाई और नड्डा जी, इनके साथ एक हमारी मीटिंग भी हुई। हमारे थोड़े बहुत महाराष्ट्र के जो लोकसभा के चुनाव हुए हैं, पूरे देश में हुए, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र के बारे में ये रिजल्ट ऐसा क्यों आया उसके बारे में थोड़ी बहुत चर्चा हुई। और तब मैंने उनको रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि हमारे आज लोकसभा का एक मेंबर है और राज्यसभा का एक मेंबर है, लेकिन 2-3 महीने में हमारे राज्यसभा के टोटल 3 मेंबर होने वाले हैं और लोकसभा के खुद सुनील तटकरे साहब है। ऐसा टोटल राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी की मेंबरों की सदस्य संख्या पार्लियामेंट में और पार्लियामेंट में 4 होने जा रही है, राज्यसभा और लोकसभा पकड़ के। तो हमें एक सीट मिलनी चाहिए, ऐसे हमारी बात हुई है। वो बोले ठीक है, आपका कहना सही है, लेकिन उसके बाद कल उनका हमें मैसेज आया कि हम इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज जैसा हमारे शिंदे साहब की पार्टी को दिया है वैसा एक मेंबर लेना चाहते हैं। तो आप सभी को पता है, पूरे देश को पता है, प्रफुल्ल पटेल साहब उन्होंने कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर के नाते बहुत दफ़ा सेंट्रल में काम किया है और कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर होते हुए फिर इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज लेना हमें ठीक नहीं लगा। इसीलिए हमने बताया कि हम रुकने के लिए कुछ दिन के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन हमें कैबिनेट मिनिस्टरशिप चाहिए। तो ये सुनने के बाद वो बोले ठीक है, और फिर उन्होंने जो ऑफ़र की थी इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज की वो हमने नकार दी। ऐसा जो भी कल से बात हुई उसके बारे में ये सब हुआ है और आज अभी 7:15 को मेरे ख्याल से सबको ओथ सेरेमनी के लिए बुलाया है। इसमें हम भी जा रहे हैं एज एनडीए के मेंबर के नाते। तो लोकसभेचा निकाल ज्यावेळेस लागला, लोकसभेचा निकाल लागल्यानंतर आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की एनडीएची लगेचच मीटिंग बोलवलेली होती, म्हणजे 4ला निकाल लागत होता।
Well, let's listen into Praful Patel next, viewers.
देखिए, बात सही है कि हमको राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार के बारे में सूचना मिली, लेकिन मैं स्वयं भारत सरकार का कैबिनेट मंत्री पहले रह चुका हूं और इसलिए हमने उनको यही कहा कि भाई देखिए, ये आपने जो ऑफ़र दी है, हमें खुशी है कि आपने हमको एक सूचना भेजी, लेकिन मेरे लिए थोड़ा ये कठिन है कि हम ये पोस्ट को हम पूर्वी में मैं कैबिनेट मंत्री रहे कारण मैं नहीं स्वीकार कर सकता। इसमें कोई ऐसा मतभेद नहीं है, कोई मतलब जो भी कोई अटकलें लगाई जा रही ऐसी कोई भी बात नहीं है। सब कुशल है, सब ठीक है और हमको ये भी कहा गया है कि कुछ दिनों की आप राह देखिए, हम इसको दुरुस्त करेंगे।
Well, a mismatch in expectations there, viewers, though both Mr. Pawar and Praful Patel say that, look, we'll work and we'll resolve this. That's what we've been assured. He wants a full cabinet berth, but the government, or at least the Prime Minister or whoever it is that is negotiating on his behalf, has promised an MOS independent charge. So let's just open this up and go back to some of our guests. Shekhar Iyer, there was, of course, competition between Sunil Tatkare as well as Praful Patel for that lone berth that they're expected to get. But beyond that, there is also a denomination issue. What should we be? Should we be full cabinet, which is what Praful Patel wants, or MOS independent berth, which they've sort of rejected? How do you see this?
Well, a lot has been happening in NCP Ajit Pawar since the Lok Sabha results. We have been hearing that within the party, Ajit Pawar is facing a big problem of sorts, where some of them feel that they should return to the parent party, headed by Sharad Pawar. A lot is happening there. And for the NCP, it is Maharashtra elections which are important rather than a berth in the Modi government. But nevertheless, from the pronouncements that are being made, perhaps, as I said earlier, there could be a second expansion where some accommodation will be made. But you can see that both Ajit Pawar as well as Praful Patel being very careful as to say that this is not some kind of a make or break situation. There is room for possibilities. But I think the BJP would rather want things within the NCP to settle down first, because a lot is happening there. And it has been a big disappointment. And also the fact that many NCP leaders feel that if they don't start flexing from now on, they will not be able to get enough number of assembly seats to contest if this Mahayukti were to last till then. Rahul.
Now, that's an interesting point. That's a very interesting point. Everyone's really looking at the real prize, which is the Maharashtra Assembly. That election will take place in the next 6-8 months. Are you surprised at all, Karan Verma?
Not at all. You know, Rahul, success is the only thing that acts as a glue in keeping a flock together in politics. And it was a drubbing that Ajit Pawar got in the recently concluded. And in fact, 5 MLAs were not present when he had called for an assessment meeting.
Yes.
So the reason why the 39 MLAs with which Ajit Pawar shifted to the Mahayuti to form the government, I think all of them thought that they had a better bet with Ajit Pawar. They would gain a lot. They would have greater opportunities. Now that has deserted them. So they are also rethinking their prospects. And I think Ajit Dada, all said and done, he doesn't have that much of a muscle or bargaining power at this point of time. So he'd also let this wear away.
Okay, let me go across to Aman Sharma on this story as it's unfolding. He's in the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan. What a lovely sight. Aman, you're a distance from the main dais, but close enough to see all the action, to get a bird's eye view. What's happening?
Not that close enough. If I was very close enough, I might be taking oath here. But we are near the forecourt, and I can see a huge crowd. Rahul, already, if you can see behind me, already people in thousands have seen them run. There was a long queue outside Rashtrapati Bhavan, 2 to 3 gates from where I came in, and there are people from all walks of life. There are people from various states. BJP workers, BJP leaders who are in to see this historic occasion for Mr. Narendra Modi taking an oath for the 3rd time. This is a historic occasion also for the BJP. I was speaking to a few BJP Karyakartas here who are here from UP and other parts. They say it's a moment of pride for us that the Prime Minister of the BJP is taking oath for the 3rd time. Yes, it is a coalition government. It was a bit of a setback. The election results, down their spirits a bit on that day when they saw BJP at 240 seats. But today when they are here, it's a moment of pride. They are very, very happy that they have been called there, and a special token of thanks from people here. The small Karyakartas, I'm seeing Mandal Adhyakshas, MLCs, Booth Adhyakshas of the BJP here. So people also thanking the Modi government for thinking about the Karyakarta on the ground, for inviting them to this grand function. Many people here, Rahul, in fact, here at the Rashtrapati Bhavan for the first time ever. So they are enjoying the moment here. It is still 5:30, about a couple of hours to